Welcome to this tutorial on how to add products to Salezly, your ultimate solution for inventory management. In this tutorial, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of adding products to Salezly so you can easily manage your inventory and boost your sales. Let's get started. First, log into your Salezly account and navigate to the dashboard. To add a product, we need a supplier who supplies us with the products. So, click on the Supplier tab to add a new supplier. Here, you can view your current suppliers and add new ones. To create a supplier, simply click on the Create button. Now you will be taken to a page where you can enter all the details about your supplier. Start by entering the supplier's name, company name, contact number, email, address, and image in the relevant fields. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on the Save button to add the supplier to the system. Next, we need a brand to identify the product. To create a brand, navigate to Setup, then Brand, and click on the Create button. Fill out the given form with the brand name, short code, note, and image, and click on the Save button to add the product brand. Now we need a unit to measure the product. To create a unit, navigate to Setup, then Units. There, click on the Create button, fill out the unit name, code, and note, and click on Save. Moving on, we want to create a product category to categorize the items. So, navigate to Product Category and create a new category with a category name and note. Finally, we want a subcategory for the products. Navigate to Product Subcategory and click on the Create button. Enter the subcategory name, select the relevant product category, add a note, and click Save. Now, it's time to create a product. Navigate to the Products page and click on the Create button. Fill out the form with the item name, item model, item code, barcode symbol, subcategory, brand, unit, regular price, selling price, and alert quantity. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on the Save button to add the product to your inventory. But before we start selling this product, we need to add it to our inventory. So, navigate to the Purchases list and click on the Create button. Fill out the form with the supplier, product, purchase order reference, payment terms, purchase date, and purchase order date, and click on Save. And that's it! Your newly added product has been added to your Salezly inventory. Now you can easily manage your purchase details and sell the product at your POS. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add products to Salezly. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Happy selling!